Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Axe Woves from the Mandalorian. Firstly, you're going to want to take the legs, arms, hands and helmet from this Mandalorian. The hips and torso come from this Mandalorian. The jetpack comes from a 501st Jet Trooper. The head comes from Jango Fett. Finally, the hair comes from Poe Dameron. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure, but hopefully this is what it should look like more or less. I quite like the way this minifigure turned out, and I definitely prefer his helmetless look, but that's a matter of opinion. If you enjoyed this video, I'd recommend subscribing and maybe leaving a like.